There are three kinds of drying for coffee. First is what is called naturals. In natural drying, you just pick the red or the ripe berries. I mean only ripe, because not only red berries, there are orange, there are yellow ripe berries. So just pick the ripe berries and then spread to dry. And when it reaches its proper dryness, proper moisture content, it is what it looks like. It's like black, but this is the best dryness of natural coffee. The moisture content is 12%. That's it. The second drying is what we call wash method. In wash method, after picking the ripe berries, we depulp it to remove the pulp. Compared to natural method, the pulp is being dried with the parchment. Whereas in wash process, we have to remove the pulp with the pulper and then ferment it for 24 hours or more until it is being fermented. After fermentation, we wash again to remove the floaters and then spread to dry until it reaches the proper dryness. It is only 12% moisture content. And this is the dried already. The third type of drying is what we call honey. In honey, after picking the ripe berries with the pulp and then spread right away to dry. We have two kinds of honey. This is the black honey, in which we cannot wash. We just pulp to remove the pulp part of the coffee and then spread to dry until the proper dryness. And this is what we call, and this is the result of black honey. It's being black because the mucilage is still there. Another type of honey process is what we call wash. This is wash process, to wash honey process, wherein we just pulp again, remove the pulp, and then wash to remove the floaters. And then spread to dry until the proper dryness of at least 12% moisture content. Let us compare. This is the wash, and this is the black honey and wash honey. Both are honey process.